Do New Year resolutions work? Science says yes. How many people do keep their promise to themselves? Well, around 9%. Today, I will give you 3 tips how to succeed with your goal, whether that's a New Year resolution or goal at any point of the year. Let's get into it. Tip number 1. Make goals measurable. To achieve your goal, it is very important to know what your goal exactly is. I would like to lose some fat, maybe gain some muscle. I could be fitter, maybe go on date. Well, those are not goals, those are wishes. You are setting yourself for failure. I will lose 30 pounds of fat. I will gain 10 pounds of muscle. I will run 5k under 30 minutes. I want to fuck my girl for 2 hours. Those are goals. These goals are measurable and achievable. Goals that cannot be measured cannot be achieved. So let's establish exactly what your goal is. What makes you excited? It is important to specify the period in which you want to achieve this goal. As an example, let's say you want to lose 30 pounds of fat, but you want to achieve this before Christmas 2025. This is a goal. Tip number 2. Break down your goal. Having big goal that motivates you is very important. It will motivate you to get up and do the things you need to achieve this goal. However, having a big goal can feel overwhelming, particularly if you try to achieve this goal before and manage to fail. The best thing we can do is break down our big goal into manageable objectives and to measurable tasks. These smaller objectives will feel more achievable and can be translated to direct action. So sticking with our objective of losing 30 pounds, this may seem like a huge task. If we break it down over 12 months, we're looking at a weight loss of only 2.5 pounds per month, something very achievable. In our example, fat loss of 2.5 pounds a month tends to be 0.6 pounds per week only. Fat loss of 0.6 pounds a week directly translates into action of eating 2000 calories less than we actually consume. This is very manageable objective and direct action. Tip number 3. Consistency. Consistency is everything. Yes, we can achieve great goals with only small changes to our lifestyle. However, we can only do this if we are consistent. If we decide to lose half a pound per week and we revert to our bad habit before the end of January, we will perhaps not get very far and may put on even more weight. I highly suggest you track your weight and your habits in some form, whether that's a paper diary, app, or simple note file on your phone. Track your weekly and monthly progress. See if you're staying true to your goal. This simple review can last only a few minutes, but will be a huge step towards your goal. Spend extra few minutes monthly on your review and see whether you need any adjustments to stay true to your goal. Personally, I've written down my weight statistics, what went well, what didn't go so well, and what could be improved. I encourage you to do the same. End of the review, I summarize with simple, achievable, and actionable steps for the next week or next month. Bonus tip. Expect discomfort. Expect changes to make you feel uncomfortable. Whether this is physically, for example, eating different food, exercising, or feeling slightly hungry. Perhaps you haven't done this and it's something new to you, but also expect to be uncomfortable mentally. Creating new habits and creating new tasks for yourself is something we have natural resistance. Remember, this discomfort will only last for a period of time. Once our new habits are formed, it will feel more natural and easy to carry out this task. Be strong mentally. Remember, most people fail their New Year resolution before end of January. Embrace the discomfort. Before I say goodbye, I would like you to share your goal with me below. I believe this will get you motivated and help you to join me in the 9% that succeed with their New Year resolution. Many thanks. Happy New Year. Bye.